Hello everyone, and in this video we are going to discuss about per each loop. So now let's remove this per loop or comment this, and now let's use per each loop. So per each, and we will use $b, and $b is $item. So now we will show the value through the item. So $item, and this loop will be executed from the start to the end. So we don't have to define it right here like this. So that's the easy method for the printing it, and it is very useful in many conditions. So now let's check the result, and now you can see 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so that's another way of printing arrays, and there's another loop which is per each loop which you can use. So that's it for this video now. Okay, bye, thanks, and see you in the next video.